Modern ski lifts have a greater carrying capacity and are faster and more efficient than ever before. However, there are still many opportunities to further improve their energy performance. Top drive lifts, which pull the loaded side of the cable, need 10 to 15% less power than lifts where the motor is located at the base of the slopes. In addition, the lower cable tension and motor capacity of top drive lifts typically result in a 10 to 20% reduction in the construction cost of the lift system. Ski resorts can also recover the waste heat generated by the lift motors and use it as a source of low-cost thermal energy. Unlike the air compressors of snow production systems, lift motors are efficient and typically discard only 7% of the energy they consume as heat. But since large gondola and chairlift motors have a capacity of 500 kilowatts or more and operate continuously throughout the day, they can provide a considerable and steady flow of heat to nearby buildings. This energy efficiency measure has been adopted only by a few innovative resorts. One of these is Kaprun in Austria, which uses the waste heat from the motors of its larger lifts to heat several buildings. However, as energy costs continue to soar, along with the climate change awareness, waste heat recovery schemes should become more common. Each time a ski lift stops and restarts, its motor draws a large amount of power, which increases the lift's energy consumption and peak power demand. The frequency of these stops and the resulting energy losses can be greatly reduced by adding a setting on the lift control system to lower the speed by 80%, whenever the operators need more time to help skiers on the loading ramp. Another effective way to reduce the number of stops is to provide the operators with a remote control. This allows them to become more actively involved in preventing problems on the ramp, while still maintaining direct and immediate control over the lift. Another area of opportunity is the proper operation of the electric heaters that are commonly used in lift operator booths, lift motor houses and other areas. Given that a typical 10 kilowatt heater can consume up to €20 worth of electricity per day, it makes sense to use timers and thermostats to ensure they don't run longer than necessary. Where practical, door sensors should also be used to automatically turn off the heaters when exterior doors are left open. By implementing efficiency measures, ski resorts can significantly reduce their energy consumption. However, more and more ski resorts worldwide are going one step further and adopting measures to increase their use of renewable sources of energy. These measures include constructing solar buildings, which take advantage of available sunshine for lighting and heating, using solar panels or wood-burning boilers for space and water heating, installing photovoltaic panels to power small to moderate electrical loads, and generating electricity with on-site hydroelectric systems or wind turbines. In addition, many ski resorts purchase part or all of the electricity they consume from wind farms and other renewable energy providers. Although green electricity carries a higher price tag, these resorts see it as a small price to pay for preserving the snow-covered mountains that sustain their livelihood.